All right, Friday, we're going to do the bottom half of the blue worksheet. You should have tried 25, 29, and 33 first, and we're going to go over them. Again, these are quotients of monomials, and when they're side by side, you simply multiply. So you can use a to the third c squared over a squared c to the third. Then figure out where they're bigger. Here the a's are bigger on top, so you give an a, and here the c's are bigger on the bottom, so it's c on the bottom. So a over c is your answer. In number 29, here when we simplify, here if you look, the x's cancel out right away there. And here you're going to have y to the 1. Minus the 4, you'll have just 1y. You have to deal with multiplying. When you multiply straight across, you'll have 84. You only have 1y. And then 7 times 15 is 35. On your calculator, you're going to figure it out. You're going to get 12y over 5. Remember, use the calculator. In number 33, powers to power you multiply. So put your ones in where they need to go. So we're going to deal with the first fraction. So it's going to be 16 squared p to the 8th over 9 squared, and that will be p to the 4th, times, second fraction I'll do in red. This will be 3 squared a to the 6th over 4 squared a to the 4th. So then when we multiply this out, this will be 16 times 16 is 256. 256. And then we're going to bring this up, so that'll be minus 4. So p to the 4th over, and then 9 squared is 81. Times, now 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16, and then bring this up minus 2, so a squared. Now we're going to multiply straight across, or maybe we'll reduce. Let's look at just this piece, and let's start reducing. Okay? 9 goes into 9 once, 9 goes into 81 9 times. 16 goes into 16 once, 16 goes into 256 16 times. So what we have is 16 times 1 will give you 16. P to the 4th and a squared. So put the a first for alphabetical reasons. All over 9, because 9 times 1 is 9. And this is your ending answer. You could have multiplied everything together and reduced on your calculator if you wanted to get the same thing. Alright, these first ones are easy. A power to power, you multiply, side by side, you add the exponents. But m and n, not the same. So m to the 4th, n to the 5th, over m to the 3rd, n to the 3rd. Where does the party at? 4 m's are bigger, so m. The 5 n's are bigger, so subtract off, you get n squared. You're done with that. Alright, number 30. If we reduce, it would help us. But we can deal with the a, so you subtract off 4, so you have negative 2 a to the 3rd over 3 times, and figure out your z's. Z's to the 5th completely cancel out, so you have 27 over 8. Totally cancel out. You can then just multiply straight across if you'd like, or just start canceling. 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 8 4 times. And then 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 27 9 times. So negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. A to the 3rd comes over, all over 4. Okay, last problem. Here we go. Power to power, you multiply. There are only a 1 needs placed above the 4. So you will get 6 to the, let's go back, it's an h. Looking at 6. H to the 12th, r to the 6th, over 2 squared, h to the 4th, r to the 4th, times 4 squared, h to the 6th, r to the 8th, all over r to the 3rd. We're going to simplify as much as we can within them. So here, the r's come up and get subtracted off. So you're going to have h to the 12th, r to the 2nd, all over 4, times 16. We're going to simplify. Here the r's come up and we subtract them off. and sorry, subtract out the 30. You're going to have h to the 6th, r to the 5th. Then we're going to reduce. We're going to reduce the 16 and the 4 to make it a 4. And side by side to multiply. So in the end, you are going to get 4. Let's look at the h's. 12 and 6 give you h to the 18. Look at the r's. 2 and 5 give you r to the 7th. So here is your answer.